This is me showing you what the house looks like after 2 weeks of unpacking boxes. Here is the bedroom you will be sleeping in. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Pretty blue, pretty blue. Little different, little different. I didn't want nothing to be the same. There's a little village. You have a little village in your room. Cool. Anyway, this would be the room you all sleep in. Now we'll go to where the little children sleep. There's my little black dress that I love, that I worked hard on. Yes. There's stuff Addison will be playing with, of course. And my little bike clock, which I love. And the day bed. Cool. And little sconces. Then the window treatment, and voila, the dollhouse that I love. I think I love this stuff more than the kids will. And here we have little pictures of the children. Love it. Okay. Now we go to the bathroom, which Addison always wants to see the bathroom. I don't know why. There's the bathroom. Blue. Here's blue bathroom. Cool. Like it. Okay. In the hall. That's pretty much the same. As always. And in my room. Ooh, my room looks blue. Cool. There's my big mirror. I do my selfies. Yeah, right. Got my little bear, or snowman. Up there. Dresser, as usual. And then the little piece that Tom got me for Christmas. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And of course, another bathroom for Addison to look at. Well, it pretty much looks about the same. Yep. Except I got a skinnier mirror. I didn't need the big one like Steven needed. And then there's this little black thing I got. Twice as nice before it shut down. I like it. Okay. Now we'll go to the living room. Which I was going to put the nativity scene there. I just haven't got it there yet. Here's the dining room. Loved curtains, loved color. Still got boxes there because that's what I decorate the tree with. There's a little nativity scene there. Okay. And then the living room, which somewhat looks pretty much about the same. Except for the lamps, which I like, the darker lamps. The other ones were Steven's mom's lamps. You can have them. Then we have the kitchen, which I love my pantry. And kitchen. Oops. Now there's a little table there. Kitchen. Rugs are a little different. But pretty much else, that's the same. And we'll go downstairs. Just to say, there is the nativity scene. Now to go downstairs. A little different. Not much. So the downstairs consists of the futon bed couch. Then we scroll over to the curtains, cool, TV. We turn on the Christmas lights to make it look really cool. So it's a little different. Then we have, okay, toys. We have a cabinet which has locks on it because it has the games in it. So they'll all stay in one piece. But we could still play the games. Then I've moved my office part over here. I like the little hook, the cubby hole. There's Mother Village. So it's next to the bathroom because old people have to go to the bathroom all the time. So, and another bathroom. Love that curtains. It's a selfie. A selfie with no makeup on. Ooh, big girl. Yes, big girl. Anyway. Now I'll go turn on the light so you can maybe see this room better. Then you might be able to see the couch that I just got. Cool, isn't it? Ooh. Love it. If I see a kid jump on the back end of that couch, jump over it, the dead meat. Dead meat. Then I have the little, well, bookshelf that has Santa Claus with the fireplace. Oh, twinkle, twinkle. Isn't that cute? Okay. So that's the base. There's Stephen's boxes. He never did pick up. He was going to, never did. So that's what it looks like with the lights on. It's not bad. I still got room to do the green screen. I always leave that wall open so I could do green screen. So there you go. Basement. That's what the house looks like now. Ooh, let's show you the back room. You will love the back room. And you ask yourself, where did all this stuff come from? I don't know. Start out this way. More games. Office supplies. Then we go in here. Oh my gosh! Stephen's stuff. Some of my cleaning stuff. Stephen's stuff. God knows what. There's my stuff. Cleaning stuff. Boxes. That stuff I didn't put out. Oh gosh. Stephen's stuff. Man, you can't even get back far enough to get it all. But this is the storage room. It's packed full. Well, that's the end of the tour of the house. So, now you know what it looks like. So you'll know you have a place to sleep. So you better hurry up and come before Stephen kicks me out. And there is no place to sleep. But, I don't think. I love you all. And, Merry Christmas. You should come before Christmas. You know, like on my birthday. Because then it'll be, what? It's over 2,000 days, 2,000 something, 200,000. It's over 200,000, I don't know. But anyway, I love you all. Merry Christmas. Hey, turn this thing off.